Down the field, Bolaños on the run. Couldn't get to there for the header at least. Now Jackson. Good touch. Vinyals. Jackson to his right. Vinyals. Micaletto fires, it's in! Marco Micaletto gets the scoring going for Tormenta. Vinyals eyeing Micaletto all along the way. Tough angle, he pokes it in. Vinyals looking for some help. We'll find Muller on the left side. Ball sent in, a laser, fired, make it 3! There's Jad Arslan. He adds another in the 34th. 3-0. Check out the Islands replay. Another unfortunate rebound for Revs 2. And another goal here at Irk Russell Park for Tormenta. Maciel now stepping up. Coutinho. Jambga way open on the left side. Jambga curler! What a goal!
Tormenta, scored by number 15.
Devyn, Jambga, welcome to the match. Showing that goal-scoring prowess with Tucson last year. Hasn't been able to find one here in 2020. Well, there's one. Over the head of Meyer, right in the goal. Make it 4 for Tormenta.
Will it be Vinyals? Will it be Meyer? Meyer looks poised, but it's Vinyals who steps up and takes it and scores it! Oh, it's fantastic! Neil Vinyals opens the scoring for Tormenta, and North Texas are in a heap of trouble now. Goalkeeper does get a hand to it, but not enough of a hand to keep it out.